Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So here in front of me, you can see this dirty and greasy, oily looking steering wheel. So this is vinyl, but this also applies to leather, vegan leather, and vinyl surfaces. I'm going to show you how to easily remove this oily and greasy appearance and all that dirt to quickly restore it to the factory condition, which is supposed to be a matte appearance, because clean vinyl, leather, vegan leather, all that kind of stuff is supposed to have a matte appearance. Over time, when you're driving, dirt accumulates. And of course, with all your hands, you get those body oils, whatever other bodily fluids that accumulate on there, and they give this disgusting, greasy, oily appearance. See that? All that shiny stuff. We absolutely hate it. So to do a simple job today, I'm trying a new product from Lithium. This is Cleanin Cubes from the G series. So they say that it instantly brings leather, vegan leather, vinyl, and rubber back to a shine-free factory look, so that matte appearance. It also supposedly cleans blue jean denim stains, so if you have stains for your jeans, and of course no more shiny steering wheels. Now the instructions are pretty straightforward, but basically this is melamine based, and it also has their what they call secret sauce in there. So inside here you're going to get 6 Cleanin Cubes, and they come in these individual packets. By the way, this is not a paid promotion. They didn't pay for this video, but they did send these out to me for me to test. So a shout out to Lithium. They produce some very good products. I'll leave the links to all this stuff, by the way, in the description under the video. So when you open the packet, what you get inside there is this little scrub tool. Bear with me here. I'm filming first person perspective today. And so it's not really a cube. It's kind of more of a puck design, like a hockey puck. So on one side, you get this dimpled white side, and on the other side, kind of a felt or whatever this is type material that is more for scrubbing. So they say you start with the orange one to do the scrubbing first, and then you flip to the white side to finish this off, and then you simply wipe with a damp towel and you reveal the final result. So I split the steering wheel in half so we can see a 50-50 result here. Always test on an inconspicuous area first, guys. This is important. This vehicle, by the way, is properly filthy and neglected. Every aspect of it seems like it's dirty or scuffed. We're going to try also on the plastics here to see if we can correct some scuffs, and the same here on the door sill, and see if this works. All right, so let's go right into the demo. So we're going to start with the orange side. So you can do straight lines or circles as you wish. But again, make sure you test on an inconspicuous area first. So this should be safe on your surfaces, but keep in mind the melamine that it's based out of is an abrasive. So you don't want to use this on surfaces that you want to keep shiny. Like your infotainment displays, for example, you would not use this on there, right? So apparently this is very, very simple to do. Just a few quick passes and scrubbing on here. Let me do a thorough job. Let's get the back side of it. How's this looking? Yeah, okay, we can see that it's starting to pull some dirt. So let's make sure we hit the back of the steering wheel as well. And the goal of this is supposed to make everything very, very easy and quick to do, because time is of essence and many people don't have hours on end to spend scrubbing this. Of course, you can use dedicated leather and vinyl cleaners, but this is supposed to be the very easy way. All right, now let's flip to the white side for the finishing steps as they recommend. So for now, it seems to be quite simple. It has a bit of that foamy action, as you can tell here. And hopefully this works. I'm purposely not spending minutes on end, so in total, scrubbing time will have maybe a minute to a minute and a half into it. So you just want to see what this does with a minimal effort kind of thing, right? All right, so I think this pretty much should do it. We're not going to overly scrub. Now we are going to take just a damp microfiber towel to wipe whatever residue is on there. And immediately I can tell the difference right away. Look at that. So we're going to remove the tape so we can see the before and after. All right, let's take a clean and dry side to the microfiber and just wipe any residue off there. There we go. I think even before me removing the tape, we can already see, look how matte this is compared to this clean and shiny side. So let me pull this tape off now. so we can see even more. Yep, and there's that reveal. Don't we like 50-50, guys? Yep, hello. Let me wipe this again here just with the... So look at that. How obvious is the difference? So very dirty, very oily looking, and look at this restored matte appearance. And this here, if I touch it, yeah, this feels silky smooth again. It's not grippy or gringy, dingy kind of feel. And look at that. Look at the before and look at the after. Look at that 50-50. So beautiful, uniform matte appearance. I don't see any blotchiness. I don't see any spots compared to, look here. Look again. Look at this 50-50. You can see all the sheen and the gloss on the left side, the oily side, versus here, the matte. There's just that factory OEM appearance left. Let me back up so you guys can see. Look at that. You see that? So what do you guys think, the before and after? It was super easy to use. Look at that. Yep, that's pretty awesome. So before I do the scuffs, let's have a look here. Yeah, you can tell. Look all the dirt that pulled off. And apparently this is safe for the surfaces. So let's finish cleaning here. Let me be even quicker just to see if you really have to be thorough and diligent with this, or if you can just make a few quick passes. So the orange side, let me take my other hand to film. Sorry about the shaky camera. This is a first-person perspective. Not my usual style of filming, but I thought it was appropriate for this one. Kind of cool, different video style compared to usual. There we go. So this is the orange scrub side. We can tell, I don't know what's in their secret sauce, but it has this nice foaming, not too much. There's no drippage inside here. Now we're going to take the white side to do the final scrubbing as they recommend. So let's go behind here. So without filming or talking, you could probably do a steering wheel quickly in under a minute. So whether you're a DIYer, a weekend warrior, an enthusiast, or a professional, you're going to do a great cleaning job in no time. So that should about do it. Let me grab the damp microfiber towel. Let's wipe this now. Very easy to wipe off. It doesn't fight with you. It doesn't leave any staining or residue. Let's flip to the dry side. Let's wipe off any remaining liquid here. Oh, you guys know when I'm laughing, that's always a good sign. And look at that. So we're going to wait for the moisture to evaporate. But now we have a fully clean steering wheel. Look at that. Let me grab, once again, just the dry side here. Make sure there's no liquid left. So, sorry about that. All right, let's wipe here with the dry side. And there we go. What do you guys think? Look at that. Steering wheel restoration 101 done the easy way. So none of that grease, none of that shine, none of that oily, disgusting appearance. Just a factory fresh. This feels nice to the touch now. Of course, always wear nitrile gloves when you're detailing, guys. If it's on your skin, it can go in your skin. So we want to be safe with chemicals, but great job. Let's have a test now on the scuffs that we see to see if we can improve any of this. So if we have a look here, this scuffing, this is not dirt there. This is not going away. Let me start actually with the damp towel. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's scuffing right there. So let's start by scrubbing the area lightly. Now I'm not expecting a full restoration because scratches in this kind of a material can be deep and you can't restore material that's not there. Let's flip this now and let's give this so up and down, a few left to right passes, a few circular motions. All right, let's wipe that off. So what did that do for the scuffs? Now, yeah, these are too deep, but it did improve the appearance. it's made them a little less disgusting, but if I run my finger over these, yeah, these are, I can feel that ridge. See that? Yep, that's deep inside the plastic. So you can't do much about that. What about lighter scuffs here, traditional stuff that appears on the sills? So let me do half of this. So start with the orange side once again. I see that it keeps enough of that juice going. So you have 6 in the packet, so you should be able to do a lot of vehicles. Even with one, I'm expecting one packet to do a lot of these surfaces. Let's flip to the white side to finish this off now. So very simple in its use. That's one thing I appreciate. Lithium does a lot of quality products, and they care about their raw materials as well that they have inside there, but they're always innovating with these new things. Their G cubes, the graphene-based cubes for trim restoring, are also very good as well. So let's wipe with the damn towel. Oh yeah, this is very nice. Now the scuffing is pretty much all gone. Now that is nice. That is nice. Very nice. What do you guys think? Let me bring you in from this side. Yep, that did a good job. But the star of the show and the main attraction of this puck with the secret sauce is the steering wheel. Again, look at that. This is striking. So an OEM matte appearance. Very, very nice. And you can do the rest of your interior as well. Like this here for the armrest. We can tell how glossy that is as well. Let's do it. Let's do this side here. Why not? As we're doing some demos. So the orange side first to scrub. So back and forth, a bit of left to right. If you guys enjoy, by the way, this kind of first-person perspective, let me know. We're going to flip this now to the white side to finish this off. What I like too is how quick this is to do. You're not wasting time. So it's a combination of the melamine, obviously, that's doing the work, plus the liquid that's inside there. There we go. Flip to the dry side. And now we have, look at this compared to that side. That's all shiny through the body oils that accumulate over time. And look at this now. This is a beautiful matte appearance. I have an interior light, by the way, this here that shines a bright light so I can see what I'm doing. It also increases the lighting when I'm filming, but look at that. Matte appearance compared to disgusting, shiny, greasy, oily. All right, guys. So this was the Lithium Cleanin Cubes. I'll leave everything linked in the video description. And if you have tried these, let me know your feedback, if you like them or you don't like them. What surfaces did you think of using them on, and what kind of work they did. So in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.